What happens when an AI makes a decision that's unfair, like denying someone a loan or favoring one job applicant over another? These aren't just tech issues, they're ethical ones. And that's why we need to talk about ethical AI, the human side of smart machines. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your friendly guide from the near future. Today, we're answering one big question. What is ethical AI? And why does it matter to all of us? Ethical AI means designing and using artificial intelligence responsibly. It's about making sure AI is fair, transparent, and safe for everyone. Think of it like raising a child. You don't just teach them how to think, you also teach them how to treat others the right way. AI is already helping decide who gets jobs, healthcare, and even justice in courts. But if it's trained on biased or unbalanced data, it can make decisions that are unfair, even harmful. Feeding AI. The wrong data is like showing it only one side of the story. It will see the world that way, and that can affect real people. There have been real cases where AI hiring systems favored men over women, or facial recognition tools struggled to identify darker skin tones. These examples remind us that AI reflects our data and our biases. That's why ethical guidelines are so important in how we build and train AI systems. To prevent unfair outcomes, researchers now build checks and balances into AI, making sure humans can step in when something seems off, requiring AI systems to explain how they reached a decision. Testing algorithms for bias before release. The goal? AI that supports human judgment, not replaces it. In the future, ethical AI will be part of every tech conversation, from self-driving cars to healthcare robots to digital assistants like me. Because the smarter AI gets, the more we need to ask, are we teaching it to be fair, kind, and accountable? Have you ever wondered if an algorithm judged you? Maybe on a job app or a video recommendation? Tell us in the comments, what do you think makes AI ethical? Let's talk about it. Ethical AI isn't just about smarter machines. It's about smarter choices made by the humans behind them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more future-friendly AI insights with me, Cynthia.